did my hair myself, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it too. No stylist, excuse me. Let's get into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we will be doing some miracle knots braids. I already did the prep work. I braided my hair in individual braids. Nothing fancy, I just parted it and did some braids. We are going to be installing some hair from ISEE Hair. Huge shout outs to ISEE for sending us this hair for our miracle knots. This will be my second time doing miracle knots. I really enjoyed it the first time that I did it, so I'm just like, why not do it again? It's such an easy way to get that vibe without actually sitting down for hours and spending money to do it. Like, this is so easy. You can do it yourself and you can have a boho looking braids in a short space of time. And I don't think you need to have any skill like that. You literally just need to have your hair braided down, and then you go in with your crochet hair. We are going to be using Burmese curly today. This is what the hair comes in. This comes with 4 packs of Burmese curly, and it is 20 inches. I'm gonna try and install all of this, you know, on my head so it's nice and full and curly. This is the hair. So we're just gonna go straight in and start crocheting the hair in. Guys, my first braid is done. What I did, I add one here, like halfway up my hair because my hair is short, and then I just used the braid with my hair as a third strand, and I just braided it all the way down. I honestly didn't put a knot or anything. I've seen some people, once they get to here, they knot it. I think I did that the last time, so I might just do like a tiny knot, I don't know. But for right now, it's not loosening, it's not unraveling or anything. And then as y'all saw, I added one braid at the root and then gave it a knot, and then inserted my crochet needle and pulled the strand through the hair, so then you're not really seeing the thread, and it just looks like intentional, like that's the third piece of curly hair. And I think the first braid looks really good, and we're just going to repeat that throughout the whole head. Once I get closer to the top, I will show you that in detail again. You guys, I used one bundle and it's pretty full. This is one. Made it close to the top of the hair. I mean, I still have this side to do, but do you see how full the hair is? I've been doing for the top braids is just to use 2 pieces because I don't want it like too poofy. So I've been using 2 pieces for the ones at the side, and then maybe on the middle area I'll use 3, but so far 2 pieces is what's been giving me this much fullness. I attach a braid somewhat midway or closer to the end. I attach one of the crochet pieces in the braid, and then of course you gotta put it on the latch, close it, pull it through. And then what I do is I go in and I unravel the rest of the hair, and then I just braid it together with the crochet piece so it looks a little bit more, you know, seamless. Then I just braid until I get to the end of my hair. I haven't been knotting the hair. I've just like braided it down and then just stop when I get to the end of my hair. I bring it down as far as I can. One crochet piece to the root. Then I knot the hair. And I do pull it where one piece is shorter, where the string isn't showing. So that will stay on the top, and the extra piece that has like the little thread, I put that behind, and then I go in with my crochet hook. I put it on top of the braid and then push it through. And then I just take the extra long piece back through the braid, and then that conceals the thread, and then that gives you like a third piece. So it just looks seamless and intentional without doing much. So you see that we have 2 pieces, and then we have the end pieces, and that's enough. And if you wanted to, my hair is short, so I don't see the sense of adding another curly piece. I feel like that's a waste. So this is enough, and it covers the hair. That's what we have so far. I'm gonna go in and do the rest of the hair. I'm starting to get a little tired, but this is where we're at. We're almost done. I only have this part and here, so I'm gonna come back when we're closer to being done. Guys, once you comb the hair out, it gets so big. Look at that. We are going to go in and define our curls, and I'll do this in sections just so it's more manageable. Spray bottle with water. I go in with this Lata Body mousse that I have. This defines curls, and it's all I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. So you can go in with your mousse of choice, and I'm just gonna rake it through the hair. And we're just gonna go through with our mousse and water and define and separate the curls. Curls are so pretty. This is the hair with all my products. I'm gonna let it dry just a little bit so you know it can get bigger, because once you comb it out it fluffs up, like it really poofs up. So I'm gonna let it dry. The curls are looking so pretty right now. Love all the curls. Yeah, these curls are popping. Guys, this is my hair and it's not even fully dried. I got impatient, but it's like semi-dry, and I used my comb to just fluff it up a bit. Once your hair is dry and you comb the curls out, you can get really big, beautiful hair. Like, I love how it looks. Look at that. The hair is so soft and pretty. Like, I did this at my house. Are you kidding me? This hair is bomb. Let me give you a few little styles that you can try. And by the way, guys, the styling possibilities of this hair is endless. You can do all the styles that you do when you actually go out and get your hair braided. Like, do this at home, save your coins, and yeah, get the vibe. Like, she is so cute. I love the center part. I love, guys, you can wear the hair on either sides or you can do a flip over. I made sure to do my part on this side because the side part is like one of my favorite ways to wear braids. Versatile. It really depends on what side you like best. Cute half up, half down. Like, that's the style that every braided look needs to be able to pass. And I promise you, with miracle knots, you can do half up, half downs, you can do ponytails, you can do flip overs, side part, center part. It can be whatever. I'm so happy that, you know, that creator came up with this concept, and I'm so glad it's going viral, because a lot of you girlies, and myself included, we can now do our own like boho braids, our own like vacay ready braids without going to a salon, without spending hundreds of dollars. You can do it at home. So I love that. If you guys like this hair, then definitely let me know down below. If you're a short hair like a baddie like myself and you haven't tried miracle knots, then what are you waiting on? This is proof that you can have miracle knots even if your hair is like super short. And I just love it. I just love it. All the links for this hair is going to be listed in the description box below. A huge shout outs to ISEE for sending us this beautiful hair. This hair, I definitely say like 10 out of 10. It's so soft. It's easy to work with. It came smelling like it was shampooed and conditioned. I don't know, that's really weird, but that's what it came smelling like. It's like super soft. It responds well to product. So this brand and their Burmese curly is a go for me. I'll definitely be using this hair again. I'm gonna try my best to take it out and save the hair because I want to use this again. Like, we gonna have to rewear this hair. This is 100% human hair, so you are able to reuse. Just be careful with how you take your hair out so you can actually use it again. Guys, I want to get on a flight. I want to go somewhere fancy. I feel like I need to be outside right now. Like, I feel so ready for a vacation, so ready for life. I feel so cute. And the fact that I did this by myself at home, are you kidding me? What are you waiting on? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and if you found it helpful, then definitely like the video, comment down below, and yeah, I think that's it. Until then, stay crowned, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.